components of payroll for which we are going to learn. So these are the CTC calculation which you are going to do and how you can create a good CTC. So there are multiple components. You can see gross salary, net salary, allowances, deductions, which include your your PF, ESI, professional tax, labor welfare fund, optional. Okay, it's not required if you want to use. Next comes your gross salary and gross deductions, right? And your form 16. Form 16 is for your TDS if you want to see, but specifically these are also done automatic. So your payroll team will do the processing of form 16. Okay, employee ID, location, employee email ID, department, CTC. The CTC will vary. Okay, for each and every employee the CTC will vary. Your monthly salary, basic salary. Okay, these are the heads which we are going to learn when you go for my advanced your payroll management courses. Now how you can add this email ID quickly? So you can see from here I have used concatenate. If you see, I have used concatenate, that is A5 double quotes at. Okay, so like this you can use concatenate. This is an advanced data analysis courses. You are going to learn each and everything. Marketing, you can use drop down through your data validation. The monthly salary. Okay, so suppose the monthly salary of this particular person. So what we will do, we will directly use this particular thing divided by 12. So it is coming around 33,333. Okay, now what we will do, basic. So basic calculation is simple. So basic is monthly into your 50%. Okay, so minimum should be given 50%, and then what we will do, we will stretch it down and all your calculation will be given. Okay, see, your calculation has been given. Now DA you can add whatever DA want to add. Suppose I want to add 500 rupees specifically given to government employees. There is a separate multiple DA calculation, but suppose I want to give only 500 rupees to each and every employee. So I will copy it because it's not a dynamic table, so I can use Control D. Okay, so Control D will directly put all the data, copy and paste. Suppose so HRA, I have given HRA. There are multiple heads. So HRA is based on basic salary, this one. These are specifically for all those people for whom, now yes, these things are available if you are going to enroll in my advanced, yes, payroll courses. Okay, these are very important. So I am giving you a simple HRA, that is your basic into 50%. Okay, or 40%. You can use 40 or 50, whatever. Okay, there are differences as per CTs. Okay, but I am going to give, suppose, only okay, fine, I am going to give only 50%. That is much more better. HRA is based on the basic component, basic plus DA you can use, but I am giving the basic. Now convenience allowance, whatever you want to add convenience allowance. Okay, I just want to add 12,000 and I will take this down, Control D. Okay, medical allowance, whatever you want to use, but at the moment we are also having the standard deductions. So if you are not using these things, you can directly go for standard deductions. Okay, but still I have given you if you are using the old way of doing these things. So instead of medical allowance, we can delete this particular thing, delete. Okay, special allowance, you can give special allowance, anything if you want to add. There are multiple companies which give special allowance, there are multiple companies which do not give special allowance. Okay, bonuses. Now bonus calculation is not as per the 8.33. It can vary from 8.33 to up to 20% with your employees. Bonuses are specifically given when your company makes little bit of profit or more profit. If the company has less profit, then 8.33 is the minimum bonus. If your company has given more profit, then bonuses should be given high. So I'm not calculating DA at the moment because DA are specifically calculated for your government employees. So I will directly calculate on the basis of your basic salary. Travel allowance, you can give a travel allowance as per the employee. Okay. So if the employee has marketing, then you can give a travel allowance or whatever. So I'm going to give just 1000 as travel allowance, and control D we will use. Gross salary. Now what is the meaning of gross salary? You can take from here. Gross salary, this one, basic salary plus HRA plus other allowances. Any extra allowances which you are going to give is your gross salary. Okay, the basic salary, DA, convenience allowance, HRA, okay, this constitute your gross salary. It also may include bonuses. So I will use all these heads. Okay. So CTC doesn't comes under the gross salary, but I will just delete it here. So PF is your 12% of your basic. 12% of basic. So what we will do, 12% of this one into 12%. Direct we will calculate, but there is a rule, that is if the salary is up to 15,000, then your PF will be, yes, deducted as per this particular basic salary. If your basic salary is more than 18%, then 1800 rupees. So if this basic salary is less than or equal to, okay, 15,000, then this one into your 12%, otherwise 1800. So this is coming 1800, and yes, stretch it. Professional tax, you can use suppose 200. TDS, at the moment I am not going to use any TDS, but suppose the taxes is only 1000 rupee. Okay, TDS is a very big chapter specifically done by the CA. Okay, TDS are already given by the CA or your accounts department. They will give you this TDS form or TDS sheet for Excel. So I am just going to use your these two as head and copy this and paste. Okay, so similar. Salary in advance, if you have taken any loans, so at the moment I am not using these things. Standard deduction is suppose 40,000 or your 50,000. Okay, so salary in advance I am not going to use, so I will delete it. Okay, 50,000 is your standard deduction. Control C, Control V, and your all deductions. Okay, so you can see from here net salary. Okay, gross salary minus professional tax minus PF minus income tax. I have not included ESI. You can also include ESI. Now gross deductions, all type of, you can see from here, all type of regular deductions plus statutory deductions plus one-time deductions, always calculated on gross salary. So I will just use this thing. So ESI equal to, just wait, so ESI is equal to gross salary into, if you are for employees, 0.75%. okay, that is gross salary. Okay, and it is limit up to, means less than or equal to 21,000. The gross salary, this one, is less than equal to 21,000, then this one into 0.75%, otherwise 0. Okay, so as the salary is more than your 21,000, then no ESI will be provided. Okay, everyone has got the gross salary very high. So if I am going to reduce the TA to 0 and suppose or 2,60,000. Let's see, 2,60,000 ESI. If I reduce it to 0, it is automatically calculating these things. So if the gross salary, this one, okay, is less than equal to 21,000, then your ESI will be 147. And net payable salary, you can find from here, net payable salary, your net salary, this one, gross salary minus professional tax minus provident tax minus income tax. Okay, so if there is an income tax, because income tax is a very big thing and is a very complicated, so I have not included any income tax at this moment. I am just deducting the your gross salary, net salary, that is the net salary is your gross salary minus all these thing. Okay, gross deduction. So gross salary is this one minus deductions. So your net salary payable is 38,888. Okay, this is your net salary, and don't make it a round function. Okay, otherwise your salary is whatever the salary there is, keep as it is. So don't use any round function in your salary. Don't increase the salary of the employee by yourself. Whatever the salary is, keep them as it is. And you can use any your free space. So view, put it here, view. Okay, then you can keep on getting all the salary. Okay, so like this you can use, right? Check them out. Also, if you want to go for my Telegram channel, I can help you for updated information only for Indians. You can also talk with me for direct your enrollment in my advanced level courses through group meetings. Till then, subscribe my channel and thank you.